I'm so excited to be sharing with you some effortless wearable summer pieces all from Amazon. These are pieces that you're going to gravitate towards time and time again because they are so easy, especially on those hot summer days. And these are the things that you're going to want to keep in your closet year after year. If you're new, I'm 41 years young and I have 5 children ages 5 through 12, and I'm a full-time working mama. So I love pieces that are put together, make me look chic. Everything's linked down below. I'll also pin it in the comments section. And a fun little surprise at the end that I was not expecting. I've been seeing this viral all over the interwebs. Love it here in this butter yellow color. And look at this sheer bottom. So stunning, so gorgeous. I also love the collared neckline on this. Beautiful zipper detail so you can zip it up or zip it down if you want to showcase some of your favorite jewelry. Feels very comfortable. All these pieces remind me of an Aloe or Lululemon Butterlux. And it came with these separate bottoms, which is really nice if you are in a public restroom, if you know what I mean. And both sides have functional pockets. Nice and stretchy. The waistband feels amazing. This takes your everyday tennis dress and elevates it a bit more, especially with this gorgeous detail. Everything I purchased here today is in a size small or a size 4 short, which I'll talk about here in just a moment. And I'm 5'7". I love this gingham dress. This is sort of, I think it's a brown, but it can kind of look gray depending upon the lighting. This feels so good. This does not have a built-in bra, so you get to wear your most comfortable bra or not, depending upon your frame. It does have the built-in shorts with the functional pockets. This just feels so elevated to me. I could wear this with a jean jacket or a button-down jean shirt. Even a white button-down would look really chic with this. Roll the cuffs, put it with some tennies, even some flat sandals. I'm so happy with this one. This next one, gorgeous leopard print. I think it's leopard or maybe cheetah. I can't quite tell the difference. This one also does not come with a bra. I'm not mad about it because I can choose to wear my most comfortable bra or not. It also has the built-in shorts with the functional pockets. Very stretchy, very comfortable, very forgiving. This right here, yes, yes, and yes. There's so much that you could do with this print. You could really elevate it or dress it up. You could take it on a date night depending upon how you accessorize this gorgeous piece. Here we have that tennis dress that I showed you at the beginning, but here it is in this beautiful purple lilac lavender color. I had to see if it looked as good in an alternative color, and it certainly does. Look at how stunning this is. Very comfortable, very flowy, just beautiful. If I saw someone else wearing this color and this particular tennis dress, I would walk up to her and be like, girl, where did you get that? This next gorgeous dress does not have built-in shorts. It is a true dress. However, it feels like an athletic dress because of the material and the stretchiness and the Butterlux vibes. It has these spaghetti adjustable straps, and I love the square neckline on this. This is not too short, very comfortable, especially on those hot summer days. This is definitely like a lunch, a brunch, a date night look, but you can really dress it down if you're going to a soccer game or a baseball game. My 2 boys play those sports currently. Oh my gosh. Sports currently. In fact, one of them is supposed to have a baseball game tonight, but I think it might be canceled because of the rain. And let me just tell you, I would not be mad that if it was canceled. You know what I mean? But back to this gorgeous dress. Yes. So beautiful. Now this cover up, I love a good cover up. This is great for so many different things. I'm showing you here with the red dress because the red-white combination just screams summer to me. Great material on this. I love the tie front. And this is sort of, I guess you call this a lettuce trim detail. That's what really drew it to me, and it looked amazing on the Amazon model, of course. But I do think it looks equally as great in real life. Something about that lettuce trim detail, nice and lightweight. This is something that you could keep in your car or your purse. Travel, oh my gosh, so much travel going on this summer here in my household. This is actually something that I can pack with me because it folds up so nicely, but you just need a little bit cover up if you're in the airport or you're in a restaurant, because restaurants are so stinking cold. So good. I'm a sucker when it comes to anything navy and white. It just reminds me of, I don't know, like coastal chic, something about the navy. This is a 2-piece set. You're going to see it in an alternative color coming up here because I loved it so much. This one does have the built-in bra. I love the neckline on this. It also has the T-back or the racer back, and I love the block coloring here with the white. The pockets in these shorts, which are detachable, which again is very nice in a public setting, do have pockets on them. Very stretchy, very comfortable. I am so excited to wear this. This little number, I don't know, I wasn't very excited about it when I saw it on the rack, but I put it on. I thought, oh my gosh, I need to know, does this come in another color? Chances are it does. We'll pop it on screen now. In fact, if you don't like some of the color options that I'm showing you here today, there's almost a definite chance that it's going to come an alternative color option for you. And I love this pink color so girly, so fun, so playful. This skirt is nice and high-waisted. It covers my belly button. I do have a bit of a longer torso. Love the pleats on this. So stunning. And then let's talk about this top here. Two separate pieces, which is also really nice if you need to go to the restroom. The back on this, I have not seen this on any other tennis dress yet. And my friend, if you've been here a hot minute, I've tried on so many different ones. This, love it. I also love the thicker straps on it and the block detail with the white. It does have the built-in bra, and I can feel the pads on the inside, and they're not too thick. I do have some tank tops that I purchased with the built-in booby pads, if you will, which I love because, again, you just throw and go, but sometimes they're a little bit thicker and they take longer to dry. But I can tell you from experience the thinness of this, but not chintzy, and it's not gonna, show through or anything like that. This is gonna dry nice and easily. I am so happy with this combination. Oh, I love anything white and black. It's so crisp, it's so clean. It automatically elevates you, makes you look more chic because it's just a classic timeless color. In fact, if you love all things black and white, I made an entire video dedicated to that color palette for summer. In fact, if you're looking for a particular video on my channel, all you need to do is go to my channel, click on videos, and you can easily see my recent uploads. And in fact, if you're enjoying this video right now, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that it can reach more people. Back to this stunning dress. It does have the built-in pads inside. This is also going to dry very nicely. I throw pretty much 95% of my things in the washer and the dryer and wash it on a warm setting, and I guess on the dryer it's high heat. The only thing I do not put in the washer and the dryer on those particular settings are pants, especially if they're linen or cotton, because those will 100% shrink. And my struggle with finding long enough pants for my 5'7" frame, especially on Amazon, so no, I have to be very careful with those. This is so nice and stunning. It is not see-through. I also love the back on this. Do you see this little cutout detail right here? Yes. Here we have this gorgeous hot pink tennis dress. This is very similar. I think it's the navy one that I just showed you. We have the white block detail here with the built-in pads, the separate shorts. Thumbs up if you love this pink color. It's just so fun and vibrant. It draws your eyes. It screams summer to me, and cotton candy and all things delicious and fruity and sweet. I cannot have enough tennis dresses in my wardrobe because, one, if you want to go for a walk in the morning and you want to be active in the evening, but you just want to be comfortable, like these are my go-to pieces. You're running to the grocery store, you're running errands, you're schlepping kids here and there. So practical, so functional. Also really, really great for travel. In fact, one of my favorite things to bring for travel are athletic sets such as this, because I know that I'm going to be active and busy and I want to feel comfortable, but I do want to look girly and, well, I don't want to be sweating my buns off, if you know what I mean. I cannot wait to show you these next several pieces. I love all of these, but these were big surprises in my book. This tennis skirt right here is by the brand G for Free. I've purchased several of their pants. I love them because you can get them in short versions and longer versions. They have dress pants that don't feel like dress pants. Anyway, so when I got the tennis skirt, I was so happy. I love the adjustable waist. I love this gorgeous mint green color. So stunning. Like, this is going to be probably the basic of my wardrobe pretty much all summer because it's just so easy to mix and match and it's comfortable, and I love being active and going for walks in the summer because I'm here in Minnesota. It's cold like 9 months out of the year, so I try to get outside as much as humanly possible. Okay, this tank top, I think that another influencer had recommended, that's why I had it in my cart and I end up buying it. Well, I put it on and I am so impressed. This is absolutely stunning. It has the built-in pads. I cannot say enough good things about this tank top. I love a good quality tank top or t-shirt because you just rotate them through your closet and you can pretty much use them year round depending upon how you're styling and how you layer them. But I love the neckline on this. They're a little bit thicker straps, not too thick, not too thin. This felt really good on my body and frame. It feels very comfortable. You can tuck it. This right here would look stunning with a really cute pair of jean shorts or a pair of white capris. I don't know, but it also looked really great with these tennis skirts. I also got in this white creamy version. Now, as soon as I'm done here, I'm going to go on Amazon and I'm probably going to order some alternative color options. I'm pretty sure they're available. I'm just going off memory right here because they are so good. This next tennis dress is very similar to the black and white one that I showed. This is also black and white, but in reverse. You can see that beautiful cutout detail right here. Very stretchy, very comfortable, very timeless. The cut on this is giving me aloe vibes, sort of that sweetheart top. In fact, I have several tank tops that I did get from Amazon that are dupes from aloe. Now, if you're buying from aloe, typically a bra is going to run you around $100. My friend, you get this entire tennis dress for a fraction of the cost. Okay, another set of tank tops. I cannot get enough. So I first ordered it in this white version, loved it so much. I got another white because if that white one is dirty, you know what I mean? Because I just love a good white tank top. I love the back on this. It's kind of sporty and and fun. It has these spaghetti straps, oh my word, that are totally adjustable. I also love the rib detail on this. It has the built-in pads, but they're not too thick. So when you go to dry this in your dryer, it's going to dry nice and easily. So good. You can tuck this in. It's just incredible. I loved it so much. I got it in the black version. I also got it in the red version, and I had to get it in the lilac version. No joke. Love a good staple piece, basic in the closet. We've seen these in alternative colors. Here's that G for free tennis skirt, but this time in this gorgeous blue version. I'm obsessed with this. This felt so good when I put it on my body. I just, yes, yes, yes. And paired it here this time with the tank top that I talked about previously. Here it is in that beigey color. So stunning. This is gonna look so good under some really cute button-up shirts, which I always like to have on hand, especially in the summertime when it gets a little bit cooler when you go inside. So I can take that off when I need to get a little bit warm and toasty. And this will also be perfect in cooler weather if you want to wear it under a tank top or a sweatshirt of some sort, because it also has the built-in bra. And especially with sweaters, sometimes they can just be not as comfortable on the skin. This is a nice barrier for that, and so good and stretchy. Now this next little number was sent to me by the brand Ecower. I think that's how you say it. Don't quote me on that. Ecower. They make a lot of pajama sets. Now I've shown something similar to this in previous videos. So when they sent me this, I'm like, all right, let's try it on. Let's give it a whirl. I love this for so many different reasons. Put a tank top underneath this. This is a Free People look for less. You cannot go wrong when it comes to bibs such as this one. Very lightweight, very airy. Maybe you're feeling a little bit more bloated, or you just want to look really cute. This just hides all the things that you might want to hide, yet you look on trend. You look like you know what's going on when it comes to the world of fashion. I love these romper slash jumper slash bib. I guess we'd call this more of a jumper. What would you call it? Oh my gosh, this gorgeous oversized t-shirt. I got it in the brown version, which I showed you in a previous video, and then I also filmed it separately for Instagram because I wore it on a particular day. I love this. It's so airy and lightweight, but also looks very chic and elevated all at the same time. I loved it so much I had to get it here in this beautiful blue version. I basically want every single color available. And these shorts are by the brand CC Bell. I think that's how you pronounce it. Now Amazon had recommended the size 4 to me, and I'm usually between a size 2 and a size 4 or 26 or 27. I have to say the 4 fits great. I'm kind of curious what the 2 would feel like. So I don't know. I might purchase it in an alternative color in a smaller size and just kind of see. But again, these fit comfortable. They're really great. I also love the scallop detail on the pockets. I mean, let me just show you right here. Look at how cute that is. And there's just, you know, sort of a slight flare on it. It's not too short. The white is not see-through, which I'm loving. And I cannot get enough cute white shorts. In fact, I probably have like 7 or so in my closet right now because I just gravitate towards the white, especially in the summertime. Great t-shirt, great shorts. You can mix and match them with so many different things. I mean, these shorts would look fantastic with both the tank tops that I showed you and this shirt, just every day, all day. Okay, here comes the fun surprise. It was like Christmas at my house. I purchased several slip-on shoes in the past that I absolutely loved. Well, a particular brand reached out and offered to send me some for free, and I was like, sure, I'll definitely try them out. And when I got them, I was like, oh my gosh, I already have this shoe. But they sent me it in 4 different versions and variations. In fact, my mom came over the other day and she's like, can you tell them that you wear my size and then you can give me some of these shoes? And I was like, I mean, I probably could do that, but I do need to like put them on and try them on. Needless to say, I need to make more room in the closet area because of my shoes, but I love all of these and I would repurchase them again. These gems right here are by the brand All Swift. These are viral all over the interwebs for good reason. Again, I paid with my own money the first time around, and then when I got them gifted to me, I was like, thank you. Love this color right here. They feel so comfortable, great for walking. I love walking every single day. The white version, you can't go wrong with the white version. In fact, all of these pieces that I show you here today would look stunning with these tennis shoes. So very comfortable. Here is this really fun pink chic color. These literally feel like clouds on your feet, and as you can see here, I can slip them on with ease and they stay on. Now this is by the brand, I think it's Nortive 8. Very comfortable. Again, very lightweight, very similar to the All Swift brand that I previously showed you, but here it is in the black and white version. You're gonna see me wearing these shoes all throughout the summer, fall, into winter, like basically year round. In fact, if you're not following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Co, make sure you do, especially Instagram stories, because I share behind the scenes and basically things that you probably will never see here on YouTube. And if you haven't checked out the YouTube community tab, make sure that you do, because I also link a ton of things there. So if you missed something in a video, check out the YouTube community tab. I love shopping very visually. You can see the pictures pictures and the sizing. And for the best shopping experience, make sure that you're following my Amazon storefront at amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. Click on photos and you can see individual photos of everything with me wearing the clothing so that you can really see it and capture it and see if it's something that interests you. You can also see the various sizing options, the color options. If that particular product's out of stock, Amazon's going to recommend something similar and highly rated. That's amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. And we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.